Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be looking at HTML, the basics. Let's just go straight to opening a notepad there. We are going to try and recall what we learned about HTML. At this point in time in LX, we are in specialization. So we're learning HTML here as a gateway to understanding more about JavaScript. So it's just a simple web page that will spin up at this point. So let's get on it. So as we know that HTML is about elements mostly. Here we are going to have our traditional line daily bang there. Okay. So this is our opening tag element with HTML there. Immediately let's rush down there and put the closing element, the tag there for HTML, so that we don't forget to include it. Okay, now all the drama, everything that happens in the page happens inside here. So this is how we are going to make our web page, a simple web page. So HTML there, what comes next with HTML there is the head part of the page. Within the head you have such elements as title there, you go to title, and then let's immediately close that tag. We've closed that tag, and then we can have the likes of style there. Okay, let me include style there. I'll use it for some to manipulate the appearance of the page, just a bit of it. We'll do it directly here. We're not going to use our traditional style. And you can also have a header here. A header, we know how this is our header. This header, let's say h1. What does it say? This is how we learn by doing. Okay, that's our it's going to be our header in size h1. So h1 specifies the font there. We close the header there. So now we close our head section. Our head part is done. Okay, the next one is body. We open body there. Within the body there are paragraphs. Let's immediately go into paragraphs now. It's a quick one, don't want it to be too long. Let's just go on to spin up a paragraph. This is learning by doing, and in public. Let's go on. It is important to learn in public so that we get the criticism we need for growth. So what happens is if we don't practice our code, sometimes it just gets lost. It just it evaporates from our memory. So we need to keep on learning and learning. Let's just within this paragraph, let me include an image here. We are practicing image. How do we include an image? What does an image involve? We have an image source equals blah 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 on the source there. An alternative message if the image is not loaded. Okay, the image did not load, let's say so, did not load. Then we close that one. we keep on practicing. So this is the first part of within our body. There will appear paragraph, then there's an image there. Let me go on and conjure another paragraph here. So what we do here in this channel of ours, at this point in time, is that we try to focus very much on projects. Hence we revisit HTML so we can understand JavaScript. So JavaScript tends to manipulate HTML elements in as far as React JavaScript is concerned. That is okay. Close that. Alright, on this part here, let's have a video here. We do it like this way, just to have controls. Then we say the source, open up like that, and say source of the video, source c equals that, and then the type of the video, type equals that. Then we close that tag, the source. Okay, we close that tag source there. Then we have an alternate message. If it says that the vid did not load. I don't intend to find any video, just a demonstration here. In any case, in a modern web browser, we are going to see video controls even if we did not load any video. Let's close that one, the video tag there. Let's add another one, paragraph again. What we see here, okay, over time, is that even the best developers tend to fall back because of lack of practice. Okay, that's very true. It's quite easy to forget code than to learn it. Learning is quite a curve, and forgetting is just down easy. Okay, where is my closing HTML tag? Okay, there you go. What have we included? The header, we got that. Let's put a title here. Okay, this is us learning HTML. Alright, there we go. So that one there. Where are we now? We learn by doing in public, first paragraph, then image source. Okay, what have we got now? Okay, let's include let's close the body. Let's close the body of the page. Typically of web pages is the footer. Let's include the footer there. Our footer will have a registered trademark. We go it this way, ampersand reg, comma there. Let's say Masara 2024, and then let's include a button. This button will be about us. We all know websites have that. Mostly and information detailing what they do and all that thing. Okay, we close the foot. Okay, so let's go over and see what we did there. The vid did not load. Okay, the image source and others. All right, let's see what we get there with this basic structure that we've got of a web page. Okay, let's go over one more time. Head is there. We close title. We close the style. Style has not been affected at this point in time. We're just going to get a plain web page. We'll work with that. All right. Okay, that being done, let's just save this. Okay, we've saved our HTML. Let's go and retrieve it here. Let's see, we must have a web page loading up our information. There you go. This is our web page, the one that we get. Okay, let's check our HTML there to compare. Alright, so what happened here, we have the header that says this is how we learn by doing, and is that the first part? Okay, yeah, it's the header. This is how we learn by doing. The first paragraph says this is learning by doing. Okay, that's fine. And then we go down to video controls there. They did not load. Says that here no video. What? Okay, what about the image there? Let's not worry much about those things for now. What we are trying to show here is our basic understanding of HTML. Okay, most importantly is this part here, the about us. Okay, our about us is a small issue, but we did not close the button element here. We're supposed to close the, we will effect that when we make some minor changes here. Okay, so it has a hover element that we see here. When you hover here with your mouse, it comes up with a different color. It's white, then turns gray. So JavaScript tends to manipulate HTML elements like the hover that I'm mentioning. There is what we call an event listener in JavaScript. We will look at that when we delve deeper into JavaScript. This is just to show how web pages are made. All right, so that's what we see. Let's make corrections there. Let's say about us. We close that button. We close it like that. Then we also go and include a proper image there. Let me try and get an image source. Let's go to splash.com. There are images there that you can get and use for free. Let's see what do we get. Let's go and say hot tubs. Let's get an image of a hot tub. Man, what's up? Splash images. Splash. What's that thing? I don't know. Is it Splash? Free image download. Let's check. Image websites. Is it splash.com? It's saying unsplash.com. Okay, let's go there and see. Unsplash.com. There you go, it's unsplash.com. Let's see the images that we can use. Okay, let's try and use this image. Okay, we say copy image link. All right, let's try and use it within our HTML. Let's see the image source. What did it say? Let me see that again. And there is a lot of information there. HTTP. Alright. What does it say? The image did not load. Okay. Alright. Let's save that. Minimize that thing. Let's try and load it once more and see what we get. It's not doing anything. Okay, I don't know what the mistake is there, but not to worry. Let's just go over there and see what we can do with the styling there. Let's target the body of our HTML page there. We've highlighted the element. We say to the body we want the background color. We're targeting the background color. We want it to be black. Then the color of the text is to be white. They have to be in contrast, so that if you turn it to black with the, we saw that our site already used black. Okay, so we're expecting that we have a dark background. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So this is what we do here. This is how we learn. It just goes to show how we target elements now. Let me see if I can pause this video at this point in time. I think we have demonstrated how HTML is used to make web pages that way. Okay, let's put it up one more time here. Our HTML element here. Okay, so we targeted the body right here directly. So paragraphs can also be targeted here on the style element there. You can say P, then you effect changes like font changes. You can sectionalize paragraphs. You can all those things totally around such and such. Okay, let's close that one. So thank you for watching this long. We are going to go into JavaScript and see how we manipulate HTML elements using JavaScript. Thank you.